Step 1. Go to college website gurukulcollegeofcommerce.com. There is an admission tab at the top. Click on admission tab. The page will be loaded for admission procedure. Click on 2020-21. Read the instructions carefully. The whole online procedure has been mentioned over here. At the end of the page, you will find these 4 icons. First will be download prospectus, next online admission form, next admission confirmation form, and admission procedure tutorial. In case if you miss out on how to go about the admission, you can click on admission procedure tutorial. This will take you to the video for how to take the admission. Step 1. Click on download prospectus and your prospectus will be downloaded. Go through the prospectus for the information related to the college and admission as well. Once the prospectus has been downloaded, click on the second tab, online admission form. When you click on online admission form, it will take you to the admission procedure page. Here all the instructions are being given stepwise. Once you go through the steps, at the end of the page, you will find a button proceed to login form. Click on it. Here there are 2 tabs, in-house admission and outside admission. All students of Gurukul College of Commerce will fill their student UID, which is already displayed on their iCard, or it is on the mark sheet as well. The user ID and password will be the same as your student UID. Say for example, I'm putting one student ID 5874. The same number I will put it as password 5874 and login. The details of the student will be displayed on your screen. You can update your Aadhaar card number or your marital status over here. Rest all is by default, which you have filled while taking admission in the college in the first year. You can update your caste, subcaste as well. Once you are done, save and continue. There is a declaration related to the students who are having caste certificate and income certificate. Click on I have understood and agreed. Your photograph and signature image will be displayed. It is by default, so you can click on save and continue. In case if your photograph is wrong or any error is there, you can update it over here. Click on save and continue. Part 2 of the admission form consists of your residential details. Verify it. In case of any changes, you can update it. PIN code is to be put again compulsorily. So put your PIN code. When you will log in, it will be blank. Student mobile number, your guardian parent's mobile number, student email ID and guardian email ID is compulsory and it has to be different. In case if you want to avail the railway concession, you can click on yes or no. If you click yes, you need to mention from where to Ghatkopar. I'm clicking no. Assuming voters list, you have the voter ID card or you have enrolled, you can click yes or no. Save and continue. Automatically the subjects of the next SEM will be displayed on your screen. Here to mention, for TY BCom students, the 7th subject will be the optional subject where you will get the option for computers, IT or export. So you can select any one of it and then go ahead. For second year BMS students, compulsory subjects will be displayed and there will be an option between finance or marketing. Select your choice and then go ahead. Save and continue. Your result details will be automatically updated on your screen. Nothing to change over here. Directly click on save and continue. When you will come to admission form part 5, here you need to fill up the details of your parents. So put down the name Mohit Jain. Relationship is father. Occupation say business. Address. Annual income. Earning family members 2. Non-earning family members 4. Once you fill up the details, click on save and print. The whole form will be displayed on your screen. All the details will be here on the screen. You can click on print form and take the printout, or you can save it into a PDF format. For fees payment, you need to click on online fees payment at the top of the page. When you click on it, you will be taken to the payment gateway. On this page, click on I have read over here and accepted the terms and conditions. Tick it and click on proceed. Over here, you need to select the payment category. Payment category is your class. Just to make a note, for now, all the scholarship formalities will be processed at the later stage when college goes physical. So you need to select your own program only. So for example, FY BCom, FY BAF, FY BMS, FY BBI, MCom Part 1, Part 1. Now MCom Part 2 Management, MCom Part 2 Accounts, SY BMS, SY BCom, SY BCom Accounting and Finance. Don't click on scholarship because the same will be taken care of later. SY BCom Banking and Insurance, TY BCom Accounting and Finance, TY BCom Banking and Insurance, TY BCom Computer, TY BCom Export. Don't click on the scholarship for now. It will be processed at a later stage. So for now, this student is taking admission into TY BCom Banking and Insurance. So I select on it. Once you select it, automatically your details will come. You need to fill it up. Your UID number 5874, surname. You need to fill up all the details. Fee structure, there are two options available. Either you can go for full payment fees or you can go for the first installment. If you are paying full payment, please click on it. If you are paying installment, click on the first installment. Second installment will be deactivated for now. So say for example, I'm paying the first installment. First installment amount is been mentioned over here. Select fees amount. So again the first installment. I need to put up the remarks. You can put up the remarks related to transaction ID. That is how you are going to pay it, by payment slip, by net banking, and from which account you are going to prepare. You can put up a remark over here. Then over here you need to put your name, date of birth, mobile number, email ID, and put up the text shown in the image and click on submit. When you click on submit, you will be taken up to a page wherein 3 options are available for making the payment. It will be either by net banking or by credit card or by the payment slip. You can take any of the 3 options, fill it up, and once the payment is done, you will get the acknowledgement receipt of the payment. You come back to the college website. At the end of the page, you will again find the same 4 buttons. Click on admission confirmation form. You will come to this page wherein you need to fill up your email address, your UID number, your name, your registered mobile number, your parents' mobile number, both has to be different. Choose your class, select the payment mode. You have done by credit card or by payment bank challan or by internet banking. By whatever mode you have made the payment, the transaction ID will be there in your acknowledgement slip. Type the transaction ID over here. And upload the copy of your payment receipt. The acknowledgement of the payment has to be uploaded. Once you fill up this form and submit, your admission procedure is complete.